Looking to add intricate professional quality images to your jewellery? The Orotig Canova Laser Engraving Machine makes it effortless. This compact but powerful fibre laser engraver is designed for jewellers who want speed, precision and flexibility when it comes to marking, personalising and decorating pieces, even on pendants, rings and tags with logos, text and even photographs. Let's start by opening the Marco software, starting a new project and giving it a title so you can easily save your file. Choose to engrave your piece on a flat surface here and then import your chosen image from the desktop. Once the image is loaded, use the preview camera to position it and resize to fit the working area. Adjust your metal piece on the Canova machine using the red laser guidelines to check your placement. Now use the Touch Pro tool to confirm the engraving height. This ensures the laser is perfectly focused. Now select the Mark option to begin setting up your engraving layers. You can organise your layers by dragging and renaming them so you know what engraves first. Don't forget to double check the parameter settings. This includes power, speed and frequency. Click Total Outline to preview the image's boundary on the metal piece, ensuring it fits within the safe engraving zone. When everything looks right, hit the blue Engrave button and close the lid. Now watch as the engraving process begins. The software shows a countdown timer until it's finished. In just minutes, you'll have a beautifully engraved photograph keepsake. As a small tip, it is optional to do a test on a scrap piece to double check the size and settings beforehand. The Orotig Canova model is ideal for high-speed laser marking with stunning clarity. It's air-cooled, has an integrated camera, comes with the full software and includes a dual fume extraction system. From photographs to personalised messages or crisp vector artwork, the Canova 50 handles it all. Do you want to see the Canova in action? You can book a free demo online or visit us in store to learn more and explore how it can transform your jewellery business.